Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's kassidyfay, and today I will be unboxing Crocs for you guys. So I'm not necessarily going to be unboxing them because this is my second time filming this today. So they're already open, which I'm sure you guys don't mind. I'm pretty sure you guys just want to see the Crocs. But they did come in this plastic Ziploc here. I just want to share that with whoever might care. This will be my first time purchasing Crocs, and I'm really excited to join the Croc family because it's crazy that I never even thought to buy them, because it's like the way I dress is perfect for Crocs. You know, I'm the type of person where I like to throw on flip-flops, I like to throw on some Ugg boots, slides, things like that. I like shoes that you can just throw on and go. So it's just crazy that I never ever bought Crocs, but I'm glad that I did. And so yeah, we're gonna get started. The first pair are these cute white ones, and they're super adorable. I love them. These are called the Baya clogs. I love the lettering across the side. It looks pure white, but it actually is more of an off-white color. It's like a creamy, I would say like vanilla ice cream color. Like it's not exactly pure white, and I actually love this color. I love how they fit. The contouring is so cute. I believe the contoured shape really just slims your foot a little bit more, and the ones without the contoured shape are just kind of, you know, they're more, I guess, roundish in the front, so it makes the tip of your foot a bit wider. So I like that they contoured them, and it just really slims the foot if you like that look. And I paid 30 bucks for these. I'm not sure what the official price is on the Croc website, but I bought these on Amazon, so I thought that was a really good deal. The next pair are these super cute blue ones, and I really love this color. I saw someone wearing this color with jeans, and that's really what sold me. I was like, I really like that color with jeans. So I got some, and I'm really happy with them. I love the fur lining. Look at this, guys. And when I tell you these are soft, like these are softer than my Uggs. So I'm really loving this lining. I know I'm gonna be extra cozy in these wherever I go. They look bigger, but they're actually the same size. I think it's just the fact that there's no contouring that makes these look bigger compared to my white ones. And also the fur lining probably played a part in that, because they needed room to put the lining in there. Other than that, I really like these. I might get this color in the regular Crocs, because I looked for these Crocs in this color blue and I didn't see them, so I'm kind of sad about that. So I would say the only difference between the two of these is just how they fit. So the blue ones are gonna really fit. You're gonna tell right off bat that they're true to size and they just fit perfectly. And then the white ones, if you compare them to these, they're kind of loose in the front, and that's obviously because there's no lining. You definitely want to get your own size, because if you don't, your foot will probably be hanging off the end if you try to go smaller. And I also heard that Crocs shrink, so just make sure you get your size, because eventually they'll shrink. I don't know how. I guess if you put them in the dryer. I don't know. I just read that in the reviews. So yeah, these are my two Crocs that I got. They're super adorable. I love these colors. Like I said, I'll probably try to get these blue ones without the lining, because I just love this color that much. And these will be worn all summer. I'm really glad that I decided to get them without the lining. And I will leave the links to both of these below so you guys can check them out if you are interested. So that is all I have for you guys today. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Give this video a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Love you guys. Bye.